Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abigail or Girl, if this is your very first time yet. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're all welcome. Yay! So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do crisscross, woven crisscross. Yes. So click on the subscribe button. Let me and the notification icon so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. Then give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section down. So enjoy. Yeah. So during this video, the first thing I did was to section my hair into two, then the one at the back and the one in the front, and the one in the front I sectioned it into four. So in each section, that is the sections in the front, I sectioned them into three. So everything all together we have, and I use the rubber band to hold the sections in place while I use the gel to make it stick and there will be no flyovers. So all in all, I had about 3 times 4, that's 12 sections inside the rubber band. Yeah, 12 sections inside the rubber band. So this is just how I separated it. I first section the hair, put gel, and take my edges away from it so I don't I don't have tension. Sorry, I don't know. Okay. So that there will be no tension on my edges. Yes. Okay. So after doing that, I did that 3. That's it. You can do more than 3 if you are comfortable with it, but I just chose to start with 3 on each section. So altogether in the front section I had 6, the section at the back also I had another 6. So on and all we had 12 sections that are inside the rubber band that I put in the rubber band. Yeah. So now this is it. Then we're going to be starting from the middle because it's easier to start from the middle when you're doing this kind of hairstyle. So what I did, I started from the middle, then put the other part of the hair away, the ones at the other side. So I'll be working with the ones in the middle, the 3 in the middle. Yeah, 1, 2, no, 4. Okay. So after taking the hair and taking them away so there won't be confusion, so this is what we're gonna be doing. We're going to take our first hair, the front. We're going I sectioned it into 2. I separated it into 2. So it's going to be going adjacent each other, not opposite, not directly opposite, like adjacent each other. So you're going to be having like a V shape. So then you take another hair from the other side, leaving the hair in the middle away. So you take 2 that way, then you cross it with the hair adjacent to it. I hope that makes sense. So when you separate, like if you're working with 3 hair, the one in the middle is left out, then the ones at the sides, you separate them into 2 and join them at the back of the one in the middle. Okay, let me explain now. So this one at the side, then there's another one at the other side. So it's at the back of the one in the middle, the one that is left in the middle. So put it directly behind it. So it's like adjacent. You're forming like a V shape. Yes. So continue doing it that way till you get everything done. Criss and Criss and Criss. So for the end of the air, that is the last part at the edge. Yeah. So since there's no air again, we just put everything together towards the end. So the two of them go together. There's no need to separate or divide any air any longer. So we're going to be doing the same thing on the other side also, just like the process we went through on the first side. You pick one, the air, the leftover from the first side, so then you pick the air from the other side, a section away. Yeah, so we are not going to be putting that air in the middle, so we're going to be taking it and putting it at the back. I hope what I'm saying makes sense, but I hope you understand it from the video I made. That's why I purposely did this other part again, so you understand. So we have 3 sections left over. So in those 3 sections, we are separating the one at the edge, so, and the one in the middle, we are bringing it together so it will go at the back, or should I say adjacent each other. So they are coming together at, they are converging to form a V shape. Yes, so that's it. Then we use our rubber band to hold it in place. So now we are through, just perfecting everything. Since I moved the air forward, I'm trying to pull the air to the back so that the crisscross or the weaves, yeah, will show very well. Or yeah, so you can see we have our V and like a woven air, like a basket, woven crisscross. So now that I'm through with the woven crisscross, so I just sprayed my hair with water, then added gel, then brush it, and take my shoelace and tie my hair together. Yeah, so you can actually leave it as a half up, half down hairstyle. So you can brush your hair, do anything you like with your hair. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and put on the notification icon so you'll be notified when a video comes up. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah. So now you can accessorize your hair, make it look more beautiful and to make the style show very well. So isn't she beauty? Aww. So to my next video. Bye. Kisses.